Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you get the face tracking on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to in this three dot. Yeah, sure. Let's go to this three dot and now go to in settings. Now go to in privacy here. Now you have to go to here microphone and input camera input. You have to enable the second permission. Use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So you have to enable it by tapping on this toggle button. Fine, so just click on it and to enable it and click on this enable button. Once you enable it, now you just need to open any game that supports camera communication. So let's click on this game and if you see here in communication, microphone and camera is supported. It means it supports face tracking. So you just need to once you enter into the game, guys. Now you just need to make sure that the camera is enabled in the privacy, as I earlier told you. Now just let me show you. You can see here this video icon button. Just click on it to enable it. And now if you move your head, it start thinking with your facial expression or facial gesture. So, and this green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera. So yeah, that's how you can do your face tracking on Roblox. And make sure the camera is enabled in the privacy. So yeah, hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.